Welcome back on this Thursday morning. The cloud cover has moved in and it is a mostly cloudy one out there right now. Now it is 63 degrees in Marquette with a southerly wind right now about 3 miles per hour. Daytime temperatures today for the most part topping off into the low to mid 70s as we head into this afternoon. So that's typical for this time of year, and then dropping down into the 60s as we head into this evening and during the overnight hours. Here's a better breakdown of what I just mentioned into the 70s across the west and some lower 70s across the eastern areas of the UP. Now tomorrow we'll notice temperatures will increase a little bit more for our western counties. We'll be pushing the mid 80s out for the west. Again, we're supposed to be at 76 and then into the upper 70s elsewhere. So this is what's happening right now. We have high pressure that it was around yesterday and now it's just to our south and southeast, but that high pressure has really dry air at the surface, and so our rain chances have actually decreased here in the last several hours during the overnight. So where we once were looking at seeing more in the way of rain for the western counties this morning, it now looks like we'll just trend to see more in the way of some isolated rain showers for the western counties, and even seeing a few of these isolated rain showers across the east. But this is the dry air that I'm talking about right now that's still in place. Current dew point temperatures depicting a more accurate measurement of moisture at the surface into the 40s. Overall, that is drier. So most of that moisture is located to the west. Here's your hour by hour right now. Here's through about midday where those rain showers will kind of still be around for the western counties. And the rest of the day, not too bad, just mostly cloudy and temperatures more seasonal. Tomorrow morning, an isolated rain shower or two possible, but a better chance of the rain starts to roll in for tomorrow, late tomorrow night. So I would say after about 8 o'clock at night for the western counties, and then that band slowly spreads east into Saturday morning. So here's the bigger picture for your Saturday. Here we go for Friday evening, where that warm front will be right overhead with a few isolated rain showers, and then widespread as we head into the overnight. Saturday morning, 6:30 in the morning, we're all still dealing with the rain, and then that slowly starts to decrease from north to south. That's midday. The afternoon looks a lot drier as that front moves through. You'll also notice ahead of that front, a lot of the moisture will move in out of the Gulf of Mexico, so it's going to be a very humid one. But in the wake of it for Sunday, we're talking some very comfortable conditions. Look at the contrast with those two air masses. Dew points into the 50s for Sunday, so that certainly is going to be a more pleasant day for us. Rainfall amounts from Friday night through early Saturday morning through about midday, 1/2 inch to about 0.8 of an inch. Some spots could see some locally higher amounts, but not a whole lot to help quench our ground that is still dealing with some drought conditions, especially across the eastern areas of the UP. As we head into the weekend, those temperatures will be climbing into the 80s. Again, Sunday looks a lot more comfortable. And here we go for Saturday. Outback Art Fair happening on Saturday. So we'll kick it off with some rain showers. But I would say after about midday, we're looking good as things dry out.
Today's Pets Waiting for